Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know what is a program data folder on their system, why is it important, and if it stops responding, if it stops working, if it has gone corrupt, then what can you do about it? So it is a very important folder that contains all the data setting and user file that are required by the installed software and UWP apps. So if this folder has gone bad, you will not be able to open that application. Okay, and if it has gone bad in general, then you will not be able to open many applications associated with the system. Now, one may suggest an SFC scan for it, but it has been noted that the system file checker scan has not helped in most of the cases. So you can try restoring your system. If it doesn't work, then resetting the PC is the last option. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Select the language, go to restore point, click on next, and then on finish to initiate the system restore process. The second solution is to reset the PC. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery. Click on reset PC and then select remove everything. Now in the next page you have to select cloud download. This will surely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.